Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I have an 8 by 8 inch square painting. I'm going to put in my underpainting as a watercolor wash with my Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2s. You could use whatever you've got. Just blocking in those major colors and values so that I don't have to do that with the pastels. It just makes layering better, and it gives something for the pastels to actually cling to. I started out with oil pastels thinking this would be an oil pastel painting, but it wasn't going that direction, and I switched over eventually to soft pastels, which I think work better for this particular painting. And this is a field, and it's going to have a little farmhouse there, and we've got some, I'm calling it angry skies because it's like stormy, sort of swirly, what's going to happen skies. And yeah, if you like these kind of videos, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That is a great support. I really appreciate everyone taking the time to spend. I know time is short. And thank you so much. Hope this inspired you to get out your own materials and start creating. Don't overthink it. Just get down there and do it. So I'm just blocking in bunches of colors here and trying to get that right balance with the clouds and the skies. I love the vibrancy. This is like, I would love these colors in a fall sweater. Just love these colors. Yeah, layering some soft pastels and then some harder soft pastels. It's interesting with different brands how you get that different texture, but they're kind of useful to have a few different brands so that you can kind of add some details in. And yeah, I really like how it turned out. I hope you do too, and I hope it inspires you to get in your own room there and do your thing. Thank you, so guys, for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.